YouTube? Welcome to Keeping It Neat with Derek and Nick. Give you a little bit of behind the scenes of what it looks like before you actually have a actual YouTube program. I've seen the ones with everyone doing the YouTube channels in their bedrooms and in their closets, but it's not the way we're gonna roll with this one. We actually have a space. Nick's not here, but this is Nick's old apartment, so he's gonna be kind of surprised when he sees it, what we've done to it. We've changed it over. You'll get to see what it looks like before. Well, actually after we've painted all the walls already, but you'll get to see what it looks like before the furniture, then after the furniture, and what it's gonna look like when it's set up for our show. So give you a little panoramic around. Right now, we got the little bit of the walls there, some windows, which you won't be able to see out of because we're not gonna be able to use any of this lighting. So we'll have curtains over there, covering everything up. This back window is gonna be covered up also. And we got our doorway over here, which won't really matter. You'll probably never see because the only wall you're actually going to see when we're filming will be this one by the door, which you're not going to see the door anymore either because that's going to be covered up with a curtain. So we're going to be filming right over here next to the paint rod. So stay tuned. We get to see a little bit more. Actually, I had taped all this previously before I had finished up this wall. But unfortunately there was no sound from the microphone, so you'll get to see some of that video too. As you can see, all the edges aren't done yet, cutting all that in. A lot of it, we just have that one curtain up, that was just to see what it was looking like. All around the windows haven't been done yet, I'm still working on that. Painting it up, cutting them in, trying not to get it everywhere. There's the big ugly couch that's in there, that you'll probably never see. Doorway, that's all done, cut in. See the wall, get some lumps in there. That's actually better than it was originally. I really had to do a lot of work to get it as flat as it is in this picture. So we're still just working around. The bottom still hasn't been cut in, so there's still a lot of cutting in I still have to do. Hey everybody, we're back. And like I said, we're going to give you the reveal of when we got done with all the decorations and we had everything, all the wall hangings up. And the room was ready, so let's do a little pan around and we will see what it looks like. So, here's one wall. We got a little bit of the hanging there. Got some of our beverages up there. Panning around. This is our main wall. This is where the actual filming will take place against this wall here. Got our desk and our chairs where we'll be sitting for the episodes. We also got in today all of our lighting that we needed to make it happen. So that's the wall there, block out all the sunlight. That is one of our lights. There's our tripod for the camera. Come over here, and that background noise you hear, that's another fan blowing right now. That'll be off with the actual episodes. It's just to get the air conditioning around this room. But yeah, so we've made a lot of progress here. So we'll be able to start filming shortly. That up there, we got all of our little stuff goings on. Have a lot. Wall hangings. Come on over here. Oh, we got too much bright light going on there to see. I'll have to do it from here. Keeping it neat with Derek and Nick. So yeah, so we've got our desk, we've got Abel the Armadillo, gonna be our mascot. You'll see him every episode, he'll be all over the place, hanging out. Give you a backstory on him too, eventually. But yeah, so there's our little resting couch. And that's it, so stay tuned. Here is the amazing, mysterious Nick.
Oh my God! This is incredible.
Supposed to be in the videos and has not been in. This is his first reveal and first seeing of it. So,
Michaela, you got to see this. This is incredible. This is so different, and I love it.
And
oh my God!
It's beautiful.
And you'll see the lovely Mrs. Nick too.
Can't even tell. You can't even tell the work. I mean, you did an awesome
oh my
job.
Gosh!
Wow.
So yeah.
Wait.
The armadillo. Yes. There's an armadillo.
Yes.
We got Abel the armadillo. He's going to be in every episode. He'll be around. We've got the legend. We've got the legend of Abel too. He's up on the top shelf behind you.
The real armadillo.
Yes, the real Nabel.
There he is. Yeah.
The one that I
original-
broke maybe three or four times.
Yes.
Yeah, we had to get a replacement.
We got a replacement, but it's still, that's a vintage 1970s replacement candle also, so. That is, we found one on the internet. That is, that's our rating system. I'll
You
show you in a
wanted those
minute.
for your rating system. Look at
Oh my gosh.
Well, YouTube, thanks for watching the preview of what Keeping It Neat with Derek and Nick will look like eventually. So stay tuned, keep watching, like and subscribe below. Put any comments you have down below also, when we'll get back to you with those. So thanks a lot, and hope you enjoyed, and I hope you come back to watch our very first episode of Keeping It Neat with Derek and Nick. Thanks, everybody.